The Engineering Bill of Material, or EBoM, is a foundational document for the product development process. It details the components, parts, and materials required for product manufacture. As a living document, it evolves throughout the product development process and serves as a reference point for all stakeholders involved in the production cycle. The EBoM is an essential tool for purchasing, manufacturing, and supply chain management, providing a detailed breakdown of the product's components. The EBoM ensures that all parties have a clear understanding of the product's components and materials. It serves as a reference document throughout the product's life cycle, from design to end of life. It should be updated regularly to reflect changes in the product's design, materials, or components. By providing a clear and accurate record of the product's components, the EBoM prevents errors and inconsistencies during the product development process. Integration of the EBoM with Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) software is common. This integration manages production planning and materials procurement. The EBoM also provides a reference for quality control and testing, ensuring that the product meets required standards and specifications. The EBoM can generate cost estimates and facilitate pricing negotiations with suppliers. It may also include information on the product's packaging, labeling, and shipping requirements. Customization of the EBoM for different audiences is possible, providing relevant information to design engineers, manufacturing personnel, and other stakeholders. Regulatory compliance is an important component of the EBoM, ensuring that the product meets all applicable safety and environmental standards. The EBoM can also identify opportunities for cost savings or product improvements by analyzing the components and materials used in the product. The EBoM may be used to track changes and revisions made to the product design, providing a complete history of the product's development. It is a powerful tool for collaboration and communication among different teams involved in the product development process. In conclusion, the Engineering Bill of Material is an essential document for product development, manufacturing, and supply chain management. Its accuracy and completeness are critical for ensuring that the product meets quality and regulatory standards, and that the production process is efficient and cost-effective.